How to propose to your girlfriend? Proposing to your girlfriend can be nerve-wracking, but also a thrilling experience. The key to a successful proposal is tailoring it to your relationship's unique aspects. Start by choosing the right moment. Consider her current life situation, stress levels, and emotional state to ensure she's receptive. Reflect on your relationship milestones, special memories, and inside jokes that can be woven into the proposal to make it personal. Planning the proposal involves deciding on a method that suits your girlfriend's personality. Some prefer grand gestures, while others appreciate intimate, low-key moments. Ideas include a romantic dinner at home or a fancy restaurant, a weekend getaway to a meaningful place, or a surprise outdoor proposal during a hike or at a scenic spot. Personal touches like custom-made jewelry, a heartfelt letter, or a photo album of your memories together can add emotional depth. The proposal setting should also reflect your girlfriend's tastes. If she's a nature lover, consider a park or beach at sunset. For someone more sentimental, revisit the place of your first date or where you first said "I love you." Ensure the location is private enough to make the moment special, but also safe and comfortable for both of you. When it comes to the ring, consider her style and preferences. If she's involved in the family jewelry business or has a specific design in mind, incorporate those elements. Alternatively, a jeweler can help design a custom ring based on her tastes and your budget. If you're unsure about the ring size or style, discreetly ask her friends or family for help, or consider proposing with a promise ring and choosing the final ring together later. The proposal message itself should come from the heart. Speak sincerely about your feelings, the reasons you want to spend your life with her, and what she means to you. Practice beforehand to ensure you convey your emotions smoothly, but also be prepared for spontaneity. Having a small speech prepared can help calm your nerves, but don't be afraid to deviate and speak freely. On the day of the proposal, have a plan for what happens afterward. This might include celebrating with champagne, having a backup plan in case of bad weather, or arranging a post-proposal activity to enjoy together. Also, think about how you'll capture the moment, whether through a photographer, a hidden camera, or asking a friend to witness and celebrate with you. After the proposal, give your girlfriend space to process her emotions and respond. She might be overwhelmed or need a moment to think. Be patient and supportive regardless of her answer. If she says yes, celebrate and start making wedding plans together. If she says no, handle the situation with grace and understanding, and give each other space to discuss what the future might hold. Ultimately, the most important aspect of proposing is showing your love and commitment genuinely. Whether the proposal is simple or elaborate, what matters most is the thought and love behind it. Tailor the experience to fit your relationship, be sincere in your approach, and cherish the moment you share together.